I'm thirsty. I think I'll get myself a Coke from the vending machine. Hey, why won't this money go into the vending machine? I want my Coke. I'll have to try again. Are you kidding me? I want my freaking Coke. I'll try one more time, and I'll break the vending machine if it does that again. Finally.
1 minute later.
Oh, come on! Why won't this vending machine give me my freaking Coke? I want my Coke. Come on! Give me my Coke. Give me my freaking Coke, you stupid machine. That's it. I'm breaking this stupid vending machine. Yes. I finally got my Coke. Serves the stupid vending machine right for refusing to give me my Coke.
Man, I think I'm a little thirsty. I'll get a drink from Dr. Zomboss. What happened to the vending machine? Why is it broken?
I broke the vending machine because it refused to give me my Coke.
What? Oh, my God. Dr. Zomboss. I can't believe you did that. That's it. Go home now and tell Peanut, Sunflower and Walnut about what you've done.
Dr. Zomboss, we cannot believe you broke the vending machine. You know that can get you arrested.
But Peanut, Sunflower, and Walnut, the vending machine refused to give me my Coke. I'm sorry.
It does not matter. And your apology is denied. You are grounded for a week.
Go upstairs to your room right now.